Another note, tieni lock me ballo line pa mai kachel ki wire pa mai fotila malo me Uganda.
Vandalism.
Yeah, vandalism. Magi check any wire ni cases. Me a dek piera dek registering nationwide ni chake do mangwen mo akalwa re piera wa beach me or do ma pario any. What do you make of vandalism? Pia dan no anatama ni alama mo mai kare kompolo mata hatari ilax. This is a dangerous thing. And dano mi robe di kar me luoro. Tira no mi rowa ni joma tika te vandalism eno joma ngeo kiet ma chen work etian ma chen ba.
Amir wachi ako conversation one ne kemiro kato a special squad to deal with issues within the police.
Yes.
New police squad. Ket makicha create front page matine. Let's not go very far Renge. To deal with the problem of vandalism, let's get to know, according to arrest Madonke Temo, the ones that I have seen, the one that has come through the news, like in Kabirichala Molata, Dogolo, Lera, Oyam, former employees of these companies are the ones involved. Donc Peter Wamabo, you're forming a new squad to deal with the remnants within the force. Anybody? We are dealing with the thieves within the system.
Within the system.
Clean your system. Just that.